Hey there, Tacoma owner. Welcome to my channel, your go-to hub for all things automotive DIY. If you're tired of staring at that annoying tire pressure sensor light, this video is for you. Whether you drive a 2006 Tacoma or a 2023 model, I'll show you step-by-step how to reset that TPMS light and get back on the road without the stress. So let's get right up in this. Step 1. Adjust the cold tire pressure in all 4 tires recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 3. Find the tire reset button under the steering wheel. Press the button until the tire pressure indicator blinks slowly 3 times. After that, you'll wait several minutes for the system to record each tire's pressure, and you're done. And that's it. Resetting the tire light on your Toyota Tacoma is easier than you think. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Tacoma drivers. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below. And as always, hit that subscribe button for more DIY automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.